Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a new launch, and I can't wait to show them to you. Let's get at it. Hi girls, listen, I have shared on several of my lives and my other platforms just of all of the new things that is going to be popping up in my store, and it's going to be hitting real hard and heavy here this fall. These are going to be releasing Friday. All the details on that will be in the description box below on that exact date and launch time. And this is going to be my fur bags that I have been really working quite a while on, like last summer. But before I turn you around and show you in complete detail, this is the 4 that are coming to the store that I know you're gonna love. I went through several prototypes to get these just perfect. Such as being sturdy, not like completely, nothing when there's nothing in it. It's got a good structure to it. I wanted there to be super cute lining in it. That was definitely accomplished. And I even have a Christmas one that I can't wait to share with you that will be released as well. We've got my watercolor charm on each of the bags. All of the link will be down there, that and the description of these will also be on the website as soon as they are up. Girls, you are absolutely going to love these bags. I'm going to turn you around and show you just how cute these are. Girls, let's get at it with these beautiful fur bags. I'm going to show you all of them here. They are hitting the store, remember, this Friday, and I'll be having dates down below. Let me dive into it. Look at how beautiful these are. They have a somewhat of a structure to them, so they don't completely just collapse into nothing. I wanted that. I didn't want them to be just so collapsible. I wanted them to have a little bit of structure so that when you do put something in it, it just fits like a dream. I thought this was just the perfect fabric. Check out this zebra pattern. We've got our label here, gold foil stamp, gold zipper, my beautiful watercolor daisy. So this is my artwork here if you don't know, and it is a charm that is attached to all of our bags. Look at how beautiful this has turned out. It is gorgeous. All the attention to detail is completely here. The lining, the sewing of this, it is absolutely stunning. There is just, it's finished with perfection. And the bag is soft and delicious. You could use this for travel. You could put makeup in it, toiletries. You could put anything you want, planning supplies, markers. I put crocheting supplies, like all my hooks and a couple balls of yarn I'm using to do granny squares. It's endless what you can use this for. All sorts of planning supplies as well, if you wish. This is our black one. Now, this one's super fun, as this is going to really be an asset for you for the holidays. And I had chosen a Christmas fabric so that you can use it for Christmas. Look at that, how beautiful that inside is, those beautiful blues and different colors of blues, a little bit of pink trees in there. Perfect for the holidays. Absolutely love this. Love it, love it, love it. A beautiful brown. Look at how fun this is, especially all year round, but man, fall, all of that. Here we've got this beautiful red fabric, and I chose this one to go inside the brown. I thought that the contrast was beautiful, that red floral. Again, gold stamping. You've got the pull zippered watercolor daisy, very unique, gorgeous. You've got the red reinforcement leather here. Very amazing. And then we've got pink. Love it. This is already open. This has leopard inside. It's a pink leopard that goes with the pink fur bag. Again, travel, planning supplies. You could put a small traveler's notebook inside. Toiletries, tip-ins, markers, virtually anything you want. I like to even take in my larger totes. I'll put in my painting supplies, like my watercolors and my couple paint brushes. And when I go to the coffee shop and paint, I'll put it in one of these and have it in my large tote, and then I can take it out, and there it is, in there for me. So I obviously it's endless what you can use these for. Available next Friday is the release. Get your hands on these by 10 a.m. Central next Friday. More details down below. We'll be up on our website very soon. I love you girls. Hope you love this as I had much creating it.